Antalya, Turkey. The best place for both affordable and luxurious hotels with these beautiful turquoise beaches. And I'm so kind that I even found the 7 best for your upcoming holiday with your family, your partner or yourself even. You can chill with this chef, for example, he looks pretty cool. And starting off with Laguna Beach, Alya. It's actually the one we chose with my girl, going there in less than 2 weeks. It's this budget-friendly resort with beautiful sea view and it almost feels like you are on some island with this forest scenery next to it. The beach is private too, so don't worry about that. The buildings and rooms are modern and really gorgeous, but the resort itself isn't that big, but it offers various activities, even a kid zone for your kids. So if you're looking for a holiday with combination of budget and luxury, with scenic beach and nature, give this one a try. I think it's a good one, this one. Now we got TUI Blue Side, and this one on the other hand is actually adult only, okay? Well, 16 plus, which for us is not really adult, but okay. But if you're really looking for a peaceful, quiet, relaxing atmosphere, you might wanna dive into this one. It's a very well rated resort, famous for its always clean private beach, excellent food quality divided into their free restaurants and relaxing vibes. Every night's atmosphere is guaranteed with welcoming music and activities, although I saw that some customers said that they end relatively early, so don't expect partying all night, but you're not going there expecting that, I think. You can also be excited about both indoor and outdoor pools, which is pretty cool. And also really elegant rooms, like pretty good rooms, you know, I'd like to sleep there. So me personally, I wouldn't go there yet because, well, I'm just not mature, I think, enough for the hotel. But if you are mature enough for the hotel, then I think it could be cool for you. It's definitely looking nice. Okay, number 3. And number 3 is completely different level. I mean, I have to start with the price, okay? Because it's definitely one of the most expensive hotels in all of Antalya. But the luxury you pay for is definitely worth the price if you got the money for it, yeah? Just imagine the perfect beach resort. And that's basically this, okay? Beautiful green scenery, indoor pools, outdoor pools, slides, luxurious food. Even that chef guy from the start is here, I don't know him, but I'd like to know him. Tons of daily activities and sports like tennis, night shows, music. I mean, it's beautiful, right? Rooms are incredible too. Even there is clip of someone reading a book, so I guess successful people go there. And of course the beach, the sea, also gorgeous. I mean, if you got the money, then this hotel is definitely that hotel to go to in Antalya. The price is really the only downside of this one, because even people say the service is like top level, you know, I think they get paid good, so... And would I go to this hotel personally? Yes, of course I would, but like I don't have the money for this, so... Maybe subscribe and maybe I can go. Now we got Titanic Deluxe Lara, and this one must be one of my absolute favorites. Again, though more on the expensive side, but definitely the best family-friendly experience out there. Of course it has beautiful scenery again, but its main focus, or at least what blew me up the most when I was watching them, was 2 things, okay? Firstly, the experience inside of its building. I mean, man, the interiors, look at that vibe of this, is immaculate. Like no hotels I saw look similar to this. And secondly, the food. Everything related to food, the variety, the experience with it, the steaks, man, holy, like that's a dream. And as I said in the beginning, it's very family friendly, so lots and lots of activities, lots of pools, slides, this barrel with water, bowling is crazy. Arguably the best gym, which after eating and drinking so much, a place to exercise is really handy actually. And also the biggest kid corner. Really recommend this to any family looking for a cozy but luxurious experience. Concorde De Luxe. Now if you're looking for the best value luxury experience, this Lara hotel is what you might be looking for. Inspired by the iconic Concorde airplane, this thing, I don't know about it, but it's iconic, so yeah. This hotel has a really unique design that immediately stands out. I guess every Lara hotel cares about special design and atmosphere. It isn't the largest hotel, but still offers plenty of pools, restaurants and activities. The private beach here is very beautiful. And the friendly staff here offers lots of entertainment throughout both day and night. Food is definitely on the higher quality side, but not the absolute top. But again, very good all-inclusive package with more entertaining price than some of the rest. Delphin Imperial is one of the most luxurious all-inclusive resorts in Antalya again, and it definitely lives up to its reputation. From the moment you arrive, the grand architecture and elegant design makes the hotel feel truly premium. One of the biggest highlights here is the food again, man. Like, the buffet here offers an incredible variety of dishes from all around the world. Like, look at these, like, that's just, I wanna eat that, you know. And the quality is consistently excellent. The customers say that. I don't know, I wasn't there. Again, the resort is pretty large. It's packed with things to do. There are multiple swimming pools, beautiful private beach, live entertainment every evening, and plenty of activities for both adults and children. It's both couple and family friendly. Like, families can love these kids things, while couples can relax at the beach areas and stuff. The only downside here is that the hotel is pretty famous and can become very busy during the summer. But other than that, again, if you got the money for this, it got really outstanding food, excellent service, and endless entertainment. It's one of the tops, you know, just you have to pay, yeah. Now the last one, the Limak Lara Deluxe. This one again offers a better balance between luxury and value. It's really into this modern, spacious design. It's both family and couple friendly. One of its biggest strengths is its pool area. It has all these pools everywhere, slides, and plenty of space to relax, so you should be able to find a good space to relax, you know. Its beautiful private beach is well maintained too. It's kinda in every of these hotels, but I don't know, someone might skip, you know. And food again, they're really good at making memorable foods at these luxury hotels, and people love it. Plenty of international dishes, themed dinners, and plenty of snacks even available throughout the day. The downside I found is that some people say that a few parts of the hotel are beginning to feel a little outdated compared to the newer resorts, but really good reviews come on the friendly service, entertainment, and the price, which is always good to hear. This one could be very good too, not gonna lie. And now for some final summary. I hope you watched the whole video, by the way, don't just skip here, that's cheating. I'm kidding, much love. So for some of my recommendation, let's do two hotels, okay? One budget friendly and then like not just expensive, okay? For budget side, as I said, I actually chose the first one, we actually going there, so I'll let you know in the comments after I get back. The Laguna Beach Alya. And I mean, the drone views of the area really looks like some deserted, beautiful island. I love the rooms, the views, the beach. Yeah, I like it. And for expensive maximum luxury, it's hard, you know, but the Titanic's Deluxe Lara would be the one I'd want to go the most. I mean, look at it, you just got everything, so beautiful, large, lots of entertainment. But yeah, that'll be it for the video. Like if you like, subscribe if you subscribe, maybe comment what country would you like next, you know, there's kind of high chance I choose you, cause it's kind of my first video here, so yeah. We still got 20 seconds before 8 minutes, so maybe let's play rock, paper, scissors, okay, but don't cheat, okay, so rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So I got paper. What do you have? I win, nice, thank you. Let's do one more, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I did paper again. You lost us? You lost again, like 2-0.